are here at Balara High School to witness the dedication and inauguration rites of the newly constructed Balara Senior High School building. As a response to the challenge of being one of the thickly populated schools in the 3rd District, which resulted into dividing classroom for 2 different classes, the stakeholders requested for an additional school building.
Bilang isang SSG President ng Balara, namumulat ako sa bawat pag-ikot ko sa school, sa dating building. Nakita ko na mas pinipili ng mga estudyante na magstay sa labas ng classroom nila dahil nga tinatanong ko sila, nararamdaman nila na mainit daw, na ayaw daw nila magstay doon. So yun, yung pagdating nitong bagong building na to, parang nagkaroon ng malaking pagbabago kasi mas pinili na ng mga estudyante na magstay sa loob ng classroom nila at i-attend yung mga class kaysa ikat yung classes nila. Dahil nga parang mas nagkaroon ng magandang environment at parang nag-iba yung feeling nila na mas ayusin pa yung pag-aaral nila.
Singing in a class with the 2 simultaneous class ongoing, well, it was very hard within this new building or singing in a classroom. I will not be able to answer all the questions since I'm already be able to understand what the teacher told us.
This building will mark a new start for us students and other recipients. Especially it will be giving us a more friendly and healthy and accommodating learning environment. And then it will eventually refuel our minds to have the eagerness to learn and then reignite our souls to be scholastic and studious positive change or stewards of positive change.
38 years after its foundation in 1978, Balara High School has been gifted with its 3rd newest building, courtesy of 3rd District Representative Congressman George Bolet Banal.
The atmosphere and the environment, we have our new environment. The students are happy and we're lucky to have one because it's a long time that we have this building. Kasi hirap talaga nung una. Nagkakaroon kami ng samahan sa isang room. Tapos ngayon, tag-iisa na, talaga napakasaya. At I think we learn a lot from it. Maraming magbe-benefit sa mga bata ito. So ito ngayon ay talagang masaya kami and I hope na magkaroon kami ng maraming achievement lalo, learning sa mga bata especially.
Of course, for the teachers, it's nice to teach having this spacious classroom, and the students are also very attentive, so we are motivated to teach them.
Because of the new building, 2 classes don't need to be squeezed into the single classroom anymore. Now, the grades 7 and 8 occupies the 1st and 2nd floors. Some grade 9 and grade 10 students that didn't have home rooms before now stays on the 3rd floor, while the 4th floor rooms are intended for the incoming senior high school students.
Having this kind of new building, inauguration of our new building, is very important to our children, especially our room is already given to them. So we would like to take opportunity to thank all the people who really give this kind of building, especially Congressman Banal, our mayor, of course with the permission of our superintendent. So they are so happy having this kind of room. Each room is given to them so that their study is okay and appreciated by everybody, not only the children but also the advisors and the teachers.
On behalf of our school paper advisor, Mr. Seo T. Caburian Jr., I am Justine Carillo, Net 25 Students on the News. Abangan